Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair a new color, and that color is the Punky Colors Orange Flame, I think. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. So obviously I'm starting off by bleaching my hair like you would normally do. I don't really bleach my hair, I use a platinum dye and just leave it in for an hour. It works fine for me, mostly because I have light hair most of the time, but this time it did leave a little bit of yellow in, but I don't really mind at all. So yeah, just regular hair dyeing processes. As I was rinsing my hair, I totally forgot that I'd forgotten to take my makeup off, so when I came back from drying it, I looked like the lead singer from Green Day if he had bleach blonde hair, so that was quite an experience. And of course, you know, blow drying and that, I felt like such a K-pop artist there, oh my gosh. Yeah, let's get right into the orange dye. I was so excited for this color. It was between orange and blue, and I decided to go orange mostly because my friend and my dad said that that would be an awesome color for me to go, and I just went for it. So I hope you guys like the finished result. So yeah, it was awesome rinsing my hair out, only to find out that yeah, the tub's a little messy and I'd have to clean that up. And of course, blow drying again. Nothing too interesting about that, just, you know, blow drying. Alright guys, well this is the final result. Honestly, I feel like a much more hotter version of the cartoon Archie. Yeah, you know, remember that cartoon, the like little comic book? Yeah, that's what I feel like, but oh my gosh. Look at this. It's like a flame orange. Oh my gosh. And you can still see hints of the yellow, which I love because it's like fiery and like fierce, and I'm gonna try and set the camera down so that I can get like a whole little spin around. But yeah, oh my gosh, okay, so this is the hair. Do we love it? I love it. It's definitely a lot less shocking than the yellow that I had before, and I really love the orange. I've been having lots of fun with it. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. I love it so much. I don't know what else to say. That's just, yeah. Alright. Well, that is all I have for this video. I know it was super short and I'm sorry, but the next one is going to be longer. I've got a cheeky haul review, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, coming up on Friday, so stay tuned for that. And comment down below if you want to dye your hair color and what color do you think I should go next. Leave that in the comments below as well. Make sure to check out my Instagram, my Twitter. I'm on there constantly out of YouTube, so come say hi and I will give you smooches and hugs virtually, and I'll see you next time on Friday. Bye!